His 94 today got 2 blasters, at least 2 so far, of 2023-24 extended, with the option of getting 2 more should these not be so good. But, well, I can finish this case.
What if I finish the case?
Too bad I have first dibs.
Well, I've already bought into them too.
Well, me too at this point.
No, not yet.
Now I have.
Neither of you have paid, so...
Okay. Starting off with the Green Dazzler, Blaster exclusive of Owen Tippett.
That's a tape-to-tape special.
Ryan Winterton, Young Guns, and a Line A canvas. McDavid base.
Oh.
That's submittable.
It's already been submitted.
Oh no. You did? Got a hollow view of, or the SPX of Ryan O'Reilly.
Gross.
Alex Laferriere, UD3. These look cool. And the 0304 Beehive retro of Luke Hughes. Don't really look like 0304 Beehive.
They don't.
Like the overall
You get it,
structure
you get
of it. Yeah. No, Luke Robitaille Hockey Heroes. These are cool looking cards. They're not that rare though, at least to my knowledge. Hey, no, Kuzmenko seeing red gold. These are the those are Blaster exclusives. And Ivan Mirosnichenko.
Blaster exclusive.
Nope.
The golds are?
Yeah.
Either way, they're getting heads for $1. Either way, they're terrible.
No, they're Blaster exclusives. Good for ComC.
Yeah, but Kuzmenko.
No, that's true. Who is this? Adam Fantilli, Silver Skates. Perfect spot for an autograph.
Is there no auto version?
I don't think so.
Oh my god.
Seeing red of Claude Giroux, that's the base version. And the Ty Cartier.
Oh, you got
what year is that? 07? No, 0809.
0809. That's
Corey
the Drew
Schneider.
Doughty year.
Corey Schneider year. Okay,
Why
next
wouldn't you
box.
say Drew Doughty? I would have said the John Mitchell year. Oh.
Robbie Earl.
There's a lot of Leaf rookies that year.
Yeah.
Justin Pogge.
Oh. Canadian icon Justin Pogge.
Luke Shen.
Justin Pogge, Cup 99.
I'm trying to think of more Leaf rookies from that year. Jonas Frogren. Isn't it?
Luke Hughes Green Dazzler. Zach Benson first draft. And a Gavrikov canvas with Drew Doughty. Thank God it wasn't. He sucks. If I don't get Bedard, I'm opening those last 2. Who is that? Marco Casper? Kyrie Retro. And Yuri Smakel outburst.
Where's he from?
Czechia. Yes.
I think that's the first silver outburst I've seen. The Blasters. You could grade it.
I'm not grading that.
ComC grading.
Teammate and line mate of the great Boko Imama. Yuri Smakel. He just signed in Europe too. Carter Verhaeghe. I pulled a Crosby Gold of this from the original Black Diamond release out of a repack box.
Wait, from 0506?
No, this is no 506, is it?
That's 0708.
Yeah, 0708. Seeing red gold of Zuccarello.
Hey.
And then Isaac Rosen, Young Guns.
Zuccarello's fine.
You hope for someone better. There's legends in that set too. I bought a Lemieux Gold from Fleury Cards for like $2. McDavid Silver Skates. They're good looking cards. Hey, Connor Bedard Seeing Red.
So red is just in everything.
Yeah. And Rasmus Sandin. 0304 Beehive. And should I go for 2 more?
Watch this, I'm gonna put the pressure on him. If you don't, I will.
$10 a box.
If you don't, I will. Pressure's on.
I'll pass for now. That's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.